Good morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on when you're watching this. Jason Miller with PROCARE Landscape Management. Most of you know that we're known for commercial landscape maintenance and snow plowing, but did you also know we have a residential and commercial irrigation division? Brand new truck we got another one because we just can't keep up. Just kind of show you a few of the fun things. A lot of good sprinkler spray heads, drip irrigation, extension rods. It's kind of cool. I don't get to play with this, but our irrigation guys do. One of the hot new things, Wi-Fi controlled rainbird controllers. Way cool. You can control it with your phone with an app. So if you're tired of dragging hoses around, sprinklers, give PROCARE a call. We can come out and set you up with new irrigation. But just like people need to be hydrated, so does your lawn. So give PROCARE a call and we'll take care of you. Thanks. See you next time.